Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6766. This ran from the 6/2015 to the 12/2019. There's a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 14-inch factory steel wheel good tyre. Left rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door one dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 14-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy lock, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,